Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. This is of course the daily close analysis, what we might expect for the next hours and for tomorrow. So as you can see, we have potentially a wave 1212 as we said before in the morning. We're gonna experiment of course or test the 0.618, 0.78 for a 1-2 here potentially. But I set it as, of course, very far possibility because breaking this channel here and invalidation of impulse, yeah, of course, that might be a key target here. Now, as you can see, we got a 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so basically we have an invalidation. But do we expect, of course, do we expect here to move for higher? I mean, it is a little bit hard to say it, to be honest, because I don't see even an impulse toward the upside as we have, I think, analyzed this in the intraday. I don't see really a move toward the upside unless we have a leading diagonal 5 waves, meaning the 5 waves are still missing. If we get a fifth waves here, I would say this might be a wave 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5 toward the upside. Yeah. Otherwise, I see that the things might still move toward the downside sooner or later. And I would like to add a new scenario here to our analysis, which I start to realize it that it is unfolding on several crypto coins that we have analyzed today. And this scenario, just to, of course, let's take a look at it. Possibly, what if? Because many coins right now shows that this scenario might be, it's a very complex structure, right? Since we are very complex anyway here. And the following might be, of course, a WXYXZ, yeah, which is the most rare case scenario. As you can see, I never use this one, very rare, but potentially that we have here W, and we got an X here, yeah, we got a Y, and then we got a X again, potentially even our X can be somewhere here, and now we're getting our wave Z as well for lower, yeah, so in case we are lower. But don't forget that this might of course lead us almost to the same partition that we made it before for this one as as this one, sorry, WX complex structure moving to this far, and this might be the wave Z as well. Yeah, so in this scenario, I mean, it's not different what we're looking for in the partition that we made it already. We call this, of course, a WXY internally, but don't forget that even the X, for example, can be kind of like a running flat here as an X, and this wave Z here can be a zigzag. Yeah, these are the scenario. It doesn't make difference. I know, guys, it doesn't make difference from the A, B, and a C, which I like it much more. It's gonna unfold at the end a rebound anyway toward the upside, but the difference is with the fib levels. But yeah, what if? What if we have a zigzag here as for wave Z? So now, it's a very complex structure. You never give this structure unless you are at the end of the wave Z. Yeah, and here we go. What if this one is happening? Same scenario, same level, and same targets. This is what we are looking for here. The same for all. So basically, I would say, we have to take it into consideration, I would say. And guys, we have to take it into consideration. The wave Z also can be at the same area, because if you maybe even a little bit lower, if you take here a 1-to-1 fib level for a zigzag, let's say, a wave Z can be, here we go, yeah, at 70,500. Yeah, here we go, even lower a little bit. Yeah, so this give us even lower price in case we see lower prices. Yeah, therefore we have to take it as a wave Z. Yeah, very complex structure, guys. I know. Potential right now we're still looking, of course, for lower. Yeah, this is what the price says. Let's go back to the 1 hour chart. What we are potentially looking for is, of course, this scenario, the WXYZ, or we're still looking for a deeper wave B. Yeah? But we still have some level to break. We need to break the 886 to make sure that we are not in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 toward the upside. After breaking this, we have to retest the fib levels of this wave 1, A, B, and a C as a wave 2, which is low possibility based on the time. Yeah, same here, low possibility based on the time for wave 2. That's why it's getting lower and lower, guys. Possibility, the momentum is getting broken for this wave 1, 2, 1, 2. It's broken. This was okay. Then 1, 2. Look at the time. It's broken. And then, of course, if we break this, yeah, definitely we're heading for this blue zone. After this blue zone, if we dive deeper, then definitely this is a wave Z here. Yeah, and then moving for higher again. Yeah, so we're gonna watch what's gonna happen and see what's gonna unfold for us tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.